Dogs and foxes are members of the Canidae animal family, but they're incredibly different otherwise. They can't make babies, for starters. They do share certain qualities, however. Dogs are curious, playful, and enjoy exploring their surroundings, just like their distant woodland cousins. Some dogs share physical qualities in common with foxes too, from distinctive pointy ears to reddish gold coats. In this video, we have listed the 10 dog breeds that look like foxes. Number 10. Basenji. Known as the barkless dog, Basenjis are an ancient breed depicted in many Egyptian artifacts, Babylonian art, and Mesopotamian art. After the collapse of these mighty civilizations, the Basenji survived, wild along the Nile and Congo rivers, until their skills as a hunter were discovered by African tribesmen. These cat-like hounds weren't introduced in America until the mid-1900s. And they're still much the same genetically as when they were first presented to the pharaohs as gifts. Number 9. Finnish Spitz. Originating from the land of 60,000 lakes, the Finnish Spitz is the most popular dog breed in Finland. There they have worked as bird hunting dogs who specialize in mesmerizing prey with slow wagging tails and specialized yodeling of up to 160 barks per minute. Unlike the shy fox that the Finnish Spitz resembles, these dogs are outgoing and friendly by nature. They're similar in size though, weighing in at up to 33 pounds and standing up to 20 inches tall at the shoulder. Number 8. Icelandic Sheepdog. These beautiful herding dogs got their start when Iceland was first settled, over 1,000 years ago. Spitz-type dogs rode into Iceland with the Vikings in their ships, and they helped with herding sheep and ponies. In time, they became what we now know as the Icelandic Sheepdog. Icelandic sheepdogs come with either long-haired or short-haired coats, and although both have a narrow, fox-like face and upright ears, the long-haired coat is distinctly vulpine in nature. They weigh just a bit more than foxes at up to 30 pounds. Number 7. Pembroke Welsh Corgi. One of the most popular dog breeds for herding, Pembroke Welsh Corgis stand at just about a foot tall at the shoulder and weigh up to 30 pounds. These loving, clever dogs are as hardworking as they are friendly, making up for their short stature. These herding dogs trace back as far as 1107 AD and are a separate, distinct breed from the Cardigan Welsh Corgi, despite similarities in appearance. Number 6. Schipperke. The petite Schipperke stands at only 13 inches or less at the shoulder and weighs up to 16 pounds, but don't let their size fool you. These small dogs began as hardworking shipdogs in Belgium, bred to catch rats and watch over precious cargo. They hunt with a distinct cat-like style and were beloved among ship crews, earning them the Flemish name Schipperke, or Little Captain. Number 5. Nova Scotia Duck-Tolling Retriever. While many dogs on this list resemble foxes, Nova Scotia Duck-Tolling Retrievers were bred specifically to look like foxes. Their flowing tail, red fur, and white markings are decoys, meant to mimic foxes. This puts birds at ease and even fascinates them during hunts. Thanks to this, tollers are talented at luring prey out. Despite standing at only 19 inches tall at the shoulder and weighing up to 50 pounds, these dogs are efficient retrievers. Number 4. Japanese Spitz. Any records of the history of the Japanese Spitz were destroyed in World War II. But the breed likely descended from a mixture of white German Spitz and white Keeshonds from Canada, which were imported around the time of the first exhibited Japanese Spitz. These handsome dogs bear a striking resemblance to Arctic foxes and are just as much at home in a small apartment as they are in the sprawling countryside. Number 3. Jindo. Named after the island near Korea where the breed originates, Jindo dogs are considered a national treasure in their homeland. They've lived alongside island dwellers as hunters and companions for thousands of years, and they even had a spot in the opening ceremonies of the 1988 Olympics in Seoul. Weighing in at up to 50 pounds and standing at up to 22 inches tall, Jindos are extremely clever. Like other dogs that look like foxes, they sport a thick double coat that helps them stay warm during cold winters. Number 2. Canaan Dog. Although no one knows just how old the Canaan dog breed is, drawings resembling the breed decorate tombs nearly 4,000 years old. Originally, they helped the Israelites to herd and guard livestock. When the Romans destroyed Jerusalem and dispersed the Israelites in 70 AD, the homeless Canaan dogs fled to the Negev desert, where they survived wild until the 20th century. Centuries later, when the state of Israel was founded, guards were needed for the settlements and canines were needed for the army. Number 1. Shiba Inu. Of all the dogs that look like foxes, the Shiba may be one of the most well-known. Made famous by the Dog meme, the Shiba Inu is the most popular companion dog breed in Japan. Despite their diminutive size, up to 23 pounds in weight and just shy of 16 inches at the tallest, Shiba Inus are an ancient breed of hunting dog who originally brought down large game. They've been around since roughly 300 BC, but faced near extinction after World War II. Shiba Inus continue to rise in popularity in modern times. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Finally, which of these breeds do you think most resembles the fox? Let us know in the comments. Here are some other cool videos I know you'll enjoy. See you guys later.